Let us begin. Ta-da-da-da! Hello, friends. Today we shall learn how to draw your favorite superhero, the powerful Ben 10, who is shown here. His real name is Ben Tennyson. As you know, he is a 10-year-old boy who has got a magical device, a watch that can turn him into 10 different heroes. Da 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 da! Each with different and unique ability. Such an interesting character. I'm sure you want to draw and color him, but do you think it is difficult to do that? Hey, do not worry, friends. We are here to make difficult things easy, step by step. Get ready with your pencil, eraser, black sketch pen, and crayons. Let's get started. For the head, we draw a basic shape oval. And then a line, which should be slightly curved on the right side as shown here. Since Ben 10 will be shown looking at the right side, the center line is drawn here. Also, draw a straight line or eye level line in this way. You can learn these techniques of drawing in our video on men's face. Join the points of the circle in a U-like shape to form the jaw. Sharpen the sides of the jaw and also the chin. For the nose, you can start a line from the shape of the eyebrow on the right and join it to the line at the center. A curve here will form the mouth. As for the eyes, draw oval shapes around the eye level. You know that Ben 10 is aggressive and is always ready to fight, so we have to draw his eyebrows as per that. Draw two lines above the eye shape. Turn them and darken as shown here. Now, inside left eye, make a dot and draw a circle around it for the eyeball. Draw the same for the right eye. Extend the eyes a little in this way to give them a real look. You can make his ear by drawing an oval attached to the face and draw a slight design in it. Ben 10's hair is very different. Start drawing his hair from head as shown here and join it to the left. He has spiky hair, so draw lines and curves to show that. On the top, draw a spike on the shape of the head. Draw two spikes. The entire picture is being built on this basic structure that we see here. Next, we draw neck by drawing two lines below the face. The back side here can be shown by drawing lines and curves again here. A highlight can be drawn on his hairstyle with the help of curves. We now come to the most important part of this picture, the gadget, that is his powerful watch. But before that, we will draw his hand by drawing two lines and joining them with a curve like this. Show his angry fist with curves and also a folded thumb as shown here. Next, you can draw his shoulder with a big curve. His neckline can be made better in this way. The shoulder lines can be seen from a little perspective here, and we can draw a sleeve and join the hand to the shoulder over here. Now we draw the watch. Ben 10's watch is big. Da-da-da-da. First, draw a little curve on the right. Draw a square joined to it. To get a little perspective of the watch, draw a line below the square and join at the sides as shown here. This will give a dimension to the watch and make it look real. To know more about perspectives and dimensions, you can watch our videos on perspectives, okay? Now, inside the square, draw a circle. Draw another circle so that the border on the inside of watch is ready. Then, draw two triangles on the opposite sides. Draw another small circle outside, which will form the watch's button. On all corners of the watch, draw these shapes which are pointed to the center. These will form the white band. A little belt can be shown with the help of a curve here. Draw a few lines on the fist to show how angry Ben 10 is. Friends, the pencil sketch is ready. Ta-da-da-da! I'm sure you enjoyed drawing, yeah? We will now outline the picture of our superhero. Start with his spiky hair. While outlining his watch, you can also add a few details as shown here. Also, outline his sleeve and hand. With this, the outlining is also done. Ta-da-da-da! Come on now. Carefully erase the pencil lines, and now Ben 10 is all set to be colored. Start coloring with his hair. Take a dark brown crayon and color the uppermost portion of his spiky hair. Leave the middle portion here blank because it will be of a different color. Again, use the dark brown for the lower part of hair and the backside hair. Color light brown in the middle portion. Next, use skin color for the face. Keep the area around the eyes blank. Also color the neck with skin color as also the fist and hand. Color eyeballs green and leave a little blank near the dark spots. Next, use black color for some parts of his dress as shown here. As for his powerful watch, color it grey, light grey and green in this way. Wow, the coloring is done! Ben 10 looks exactly like we see him in the TV series or video games. As you know, power comes from the magical device, his watch. Hey, here we see the power coming out. Wow, this looks so amazing. I'm sure, friends, you had fun drawing and coloring the powerful Ben 10. It is so wonderful to learn to draw your favorite superhero. Hey, Ben 10 may be the favorite superhero of your friends too. Why don't you show them this picture that you have made of him? They will all start praising you and will be eager to learn for themselves too. Don't forget to tell them from where you learned to draw and color Ben 10. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Ta-da-da-da. Bye-bye.